everyone, it's me, Blue. So how's your weekend been going? Mine's been going great. The Women's March just happened. Did you guys march or... Sorry, something just fell down. So did you guys march or do anything cool? Are you guys doing something cool this weekend? Well, I'm cleaning, boo. But cleaning did make me think of soap. So today I'm going to show you how to make hand soap with hand soap inside. Sparkly hand soap. Let's get started. First you'll need soap coloring and soap base, a soap mold and a microwavable bowl, and essential oils and something to cut your soap base with. You'll also need a spherical mold. The first step is to use my glitter soap recipe to make little tiny spherical bowls that look like this. The first step is to melt your soap base in your microwavable bowl. It should only take about 30 seconds in the microwave, or even less. Now that it's all melted, add your essential oil. My little soaps on the inside smell like orange, so I'm going to make the overall soap smell like vanilla. Pop out your glitter bulbs and throw them in your mold, and then pour the soap over the mold so that it all becomes one big soap. Do it really quickly before your soap hardens. So while we wait, I'm going to do a blindfold challenge. So usually my drawings look like this. How will my drawings look when I draw it in under 60 seconds with a blindfold? Okay, let's see how, oh my gosh, what is that? Okay, so how can this turn out like this? What even is that? Now let's pop out our soap and see how it looks. Well, that's it. Don't forget to wash your hands and look fabulous while doing it. And, well, I guess your hands will look fabulous because, well, you know what I mean. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. And that's it. Bye. Oh gosh.